You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off Gemini, Google's AI assistant, on your Android phone and switch back to the classic Google Assistant. First, note that Gemini may have replaced the Google Assistant app. To switch back, open the Google app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right, then tap Settings. Go to Google Assistant. Scroll down and tap on Digital Assistants from Google. Here you will see a list of assistants. If Gemini is selected, tap on it. You will see an option to switch back to Google Assistant. Tap it and confirm. If you don't see this, you may need to change the default Assistant app. Go to your phone's settings. Then Apps, tap Default Apps. Tap Digital Assistant app. Select Google from the list. If Google isn't there, ensure the Google app is installed. Another method is to long press your home button or say Hey Google. If Gemini activates, say Open Assistant Settings and look for the option to switch. You can also disable the Gemini app itself. Go to Settings, Apps, find Gemini and tap Disable. Remember, this may revert after an update. Switching back gives you the familiar Google Assistant experience. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.